they're either useless unless you're doing an NPC quest line, a specific one, or the items there are just like a homeward bone. But there are so many more places.
That's what I need.
Strange on the back! Strange! Get him! Get him now! Get him now! Get him!
There's a panther behind. Where's he? What's happening? I missed that DS3 and actually do all the NPC quest lines. Because there is a lot. Some of them are really good. I just didn't want to do them because I honestly forgot how to do half of them. As you could tell from us not being able to get the Morning Blade from doing yours quest line.
Armed and dangerous. Again.
Where's my team? Scare me.
You're up.
My God, I was saving my hook because he was wood. I was saving my hook to hold. What? I was saving my hook to hook baby, but apparently my team doesn't have monitors. It's all good. It happens.
What's the hook behind him?
Wait, might have to do a gauntlet. That actually sounds pretty heat. Do new game plus on all the games back to back to back. What is this guy talking about? That is the greatest player of all time.
Help me! Oh.
Whoa,
There's a strange on you, Carrot.
What's that?
Keep your tentacles to yourself, Namor.
That's what I need.
Bro.
Yo, these guys actually do not care about me, bro. Oh my God.
Only 60 seconds left.
Again.
I get a little flake on me. Just a little. Oh my God.
Chat. How is my whole team dead? Chat.
Down to 30 seconds.
How is my whole team dead?
Where? I don't see a punishment.
I never really liked you anyway, Namor.
Dude, could not care less about hero shooters as a genre. I think hero shooters are the best PvP game types, but like all my favorite games are hero shooters. Apex was gas, Deadlock. It is so crazy though that people will argue that Deadlock isn't a hero shooter, and I'm just like, are you dumb? Like, it's two genres at once. It's a hero shooter MOBA. Like, what are we saying? They're like, it's not a hero shooter. I'm like, yes it is. Is Apex not a hero shooter? Like, yes, Apex is a hero shooter. It's just also a battle royale. What is your problem?
Yo, you good, bro?
Huh.
Nowhere yet.
Well.
Going to overtime.
Nemo's on top somewhere.
Excuse me? Are you guys gonna kill him or no?
Yo, kill him, bro.
Is that a respawn beacon up there? Should we have some discussions about honey shotgun or no?
Firepower. Judge, jury, executioner.
Oh my God! He's diffing me. He's diffing me. He's diffing me. He's diffing me.
Executioner.
Broken the back, broken the back. Throw that over here.
Sarah,
What?
kill the death.
I was killing the rocket. Easier target.
Kill it. Kill it. He's the
Hold on. Hold on.
Where are you guys at?
Okay, he had a bubble. Dude, I'm like anti-Star-Lord patrol right now. Legit all I'm doing.
Down to 30 seconds.
Dude. Dear God, help me.
Enemy target located. I'm good.
What are you gonna do about it? Pussy?
Judge, jury, executioner.
I just gambled the house. I literally gambled the house. Oh my god, I'm just
You think you're Punisher? I don't remember.
I don't think so. Alright, folks, they're down 2. They did use amp, though. There's a flanking punny with a shotgun. Just be prepared for that. 1 HP, legit 1 HP. Thank you. He's rezzed. He has punny ult the second he's up. Nice. Ooh, I don't know if...
Jury, executioner.
Bro, they have Punisher out. They killed me.
Oh, punch up one. I don't know how we lost that. You gotta do the Jinxie Punisher ult tech, dude. That shit was so fucking funny. More so Arcane, cause fuck League. You're gonna get called a LARPer. You think there's someone out there that's arguing League of Legends balancing takes because they watched Arcane? Blitzcrank is too broken. Hello, Punny. What's going on, buddy? What in the world is that rocket cooking up, folks? That guy is aggressive.
Why was that rocket smoking? What the hell?
No, I was saying the same thing. Like, ult's down too. Shouldn't even need to mirror this. Oh, maybe we will. Oh my god, he's won. I'm so cheesed. Risked my life to break a respawn beacon. Ask me anything. That's all they do. They just scour Twitch, find somebody with #1 blank in their name, and then look for a replay. Or they might look at Rivals Tracker. I'm not sure what they do. They honestly probably just look at Rivals Tracker. Probably easier. Dude, this character is just like... Dude, like, it's just... Oh, messes up my shit. Wow, that guy just got owned. I'm not entirely sure I'm alive. And he fucked up their amp real bad. Oh! My Hawkeye hits this one-shot cancer cured. No, I had to reload. I thought I had my E. Oh well. I had still got the nuke. 30-0. Woo! Books up my left shift. I didn't even know I had it off cooldown. That was almost real bad.
Double kill!
No contingent propulsion beam.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost had a stroke. Like, I actually almost... If I lost that, I think I'd just end stream and, like, never play Rivals again.
Okay, why are you being a pussy? Push. Let's go.
Let's go, she says.
We got 3 on us.
Thanks for the boost.
Emma has no diamond. Oh, I lied. Wait, we can kill this house.
Maximum impact.
And we won because we did all that.
Wait, actually true. What a game.
I can't stand the sight of lifeboats on this boat that rocks atop the sea, a ship that sinks just for me.
Bye bye, you little one.